Hi everyone, my name is Jenna Medke. I am currently a fifth grade teacher in Manitowoc, Wisconsin at one of our six elementary schools that we have. I'm excited to announce that this is my last class before I finish in December, so I'm super pumped about that. A little bit about me, this is my fifth year of teaching. I had 3 years of fifth grade. Last year I went down to fourth grade, and now this year I am back up at fifth grade. So I'm super excited to be looping with about half my class. So it's been nice. We started last week. A little bit about me other than that, I am a volleyball coach at the high school at Manitowoc Lincoln. I am the JV coach, and then I help out a little bit with varsity too. In my free time, I love to be outside. This last weekend, we were in Kangaroo Lake and we kayaked and went to the sandbar, and it was a gorgeous weekend. So I am so excited that I got to do that a little bit before this school year gets started. I'm excited to meet all of you. I hope I have some friendly faces in this class as I enter into my last one. Good luck, everybody.